Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Aquarius. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies. These are for your daily energies, guys. For your love energies, we'll be picking more cards from the other deck. And finally, your oracle guidance. So these are for your daily energies, Aquarius. With these cards here, guys, the energy for you all is that this may relate to your work situation or your relationship, guys. In your situation today, guys, you have that you are a person of that balance and harmony, and you what to say, you take up any responsibilities happily, weighing both sides of that situation, and you see things through before stepping into any action. You have that logical mind, and you do things in a very particular order, however you believe, do it in a particular way based on your beliefs and ideals. That is what I see with these cards, Aquarius, and people greatly appreciate you for that. So those people who are there in your work with you, or in your relationship, or in your personal life, your family, friends, they appreciate you for that a way you conduct your life, guys. Whatever efforts you are putting in, or whatever that you are doing. So that is what I see. And maybe for some of you all, you may be having though you are a person of that balance and harmony in any situation, you have something that is troubling your mind, something stressing you, guys, that is shaking you up, some kind of stressful situation that may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys. Something troubling, that is what I see. And maybe this may be this stress may be related to your relationship. Maybe you are very passionate about this person, you have that great affection and intimacy, you want that intimacy with this person, but this person may not share the same view about you. That may be the reason. Because of this, that may be the reason you feel stress. So they are not feeling the same way about you. That is the, maybe they are there just for fun, they are there just to what to say, just like a fling. They don't want that deep connection, but you love this person, you love them deeply. So that may be the reason it is stressing you, guys. That is what I see with this card. Let us see what are the cards for your love energies. We will be picking more cards from the other deck, guys. Birds, stock, and bouquet. So with these cards, guys, energy is that maybe for some of you all, you may be getting suggestions or counsel from your friends or family, from your parents or older siblings. Someone may be helping you with, or you are taking their help regarding this relationship, what you need to do and what will be your next step. So maybe for some of you, because of the way you feel about this person, that passion, you want to take it forward, you want to propose to this person, or you want to, if you are already engaged to be married, maybe for some of you all, you may be getting a child here, guys. That is also the energy here. Maybe you want to start a family with this person. That is also the energy here. And maybe for some of you, though certain things are stressing you, maybe in this connection, some kind of stressful situations. You may get over it, that struggles, whatever obstacles that you're facing, you may get over it. Some kind of what to say, some happy things are unfolding today, guys. And you are if you are facing some stressful situations, some difficulties, you will come to an understanding, guys, in that situation, come to an accord. You will be able to mend that situation and get clarity. That is also what these cards are denoting. So all that is not working in your relationship, you may be able to overcome that, and you have that confidence, and you feel gratitude for being with this person. Harmony and contentment is there in this relationship, guys, and intimacy and understanding is there. And this person, with this person, that is what you feel. And maybe for some of you all, they may be coming with gifts to visit you, guys. That may also be the energy here. Let us see what is your oracle's guidance. So we will be randomly picking one card, Aquarius. So what is the card? Unfinished Symphony. So with this card, guys, the energy is that it may relate to your career situation or in your personal life, guys. So whatever you have left incomplete, you have to go for that completion, guys. That lack of closure may stress you. That is what this card is about. If it is something related to your relationship, maybe, guys, sometimes your past relationship, you wouldn't have had that closure, the things you wanted to tell that person. Maybe sometimes you would have felt hurt, or you would have felt resentment, or you would have felt that you have done some mistakes and you are feeling guilty now. You can overcome all that if you have that open conversation. If you cannot have that open conversation with that other person, you can just try to forgive that other person in your heart of hearts, or what to say, feel sorry for whatever mistakes that you did and apologize to them in your heart of hearts and overcome that past. So you need to make that amends today, guys. That is what this card is about. And maybe in your work situation also, whatever failures of the past, whatever that was there in the past, you would feel stressed and hurt because of that. So you need to give all that up, whatever was not working, guys. And maybe in your present day situation also, whatever things you need to do, maybe paying bills, or simple things like filing documents, signing some documents, whatever you do regularly, or any task, any projects that you take up, all that you have to go for that completion, guys. When you complete a task perfectly till the end, you will be able to see that you are marching towards prosperity, guys. So that is what this card is about, and that is the reading for you all today, Aquarius. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.